Yeah, come in, come in. Morning. Yes, mom. Yeah. Come in, mom. I'm coming. Yeah, on top of the morning, guys. This is the other. This Jamaica yard like more powerful one. You know the energy come down. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Take and turn fashion. Only thing about it, my neighbor, offer me a few aki. So you know the energy go. Love and one man. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna show you all what's popping. So I'm gonna get some together and we'll call it a maki. It's a plus. So hopefully later can shape up probably some aki and starfish. Look at that, guys. I got just the right remedy. Come in, mom. Come in. Come in. Yeah, guys, this is the love, guys. A lot of love. Trust me. All right, so substitute frying the egg for now. Yeah, man. I'll make sure I box these, and then we process go. I'll clean them. Yeah, man. What? take on ton fashion right away. Yeah. Do the right thing, eh? I appreciate all who pop by. I appreciate the support, guys. Today one of them day where just a freestyle. Yeah, man. For those who know me know that, you know, I'm always up and active. Worked all night last night, but despite I working all night, we still have to up and active, same way and do the right. Yeah, man. But eventually I get some rest, guys. So you know it's something go. You know, I rev the engine too much. But when you have a lot to do, when you're alone, you have a lot to do. Well, you know it's something go. We have to do the right. Yeah, man. So work for months, days, and decades. You have to come in and you have to get a lot done. That's how it go. It's not new. It's not like something I'm not used to, guys. So you know it come down. So ever so often I might invite you all along. If you just come here, you come go and normal out. Don't it? Yeah, man. It's not all the time you're going to do. My nature videos and SMRs and so on and so forth, you know. Ever so often I take the time out to zero in and just chit chat with you all for a few. You know. Or, you know, just normal out and let you all soak up some of the hard energy. You know, there is nothing but just love and love alone, as usual. Yeah, man. I want to send a special shout out, guys, to be honest, yeah, I would really do want to send a special shout out to the whole family. Yeah, man. Whole Drizzyberg family. Yeah, man. Blessings abundant, man. Keep the train chewing, bro. It's a blessing. Even if it's 40. Whole heap of love in your corner, my brother. Whole heap of love, bro. Out of sight, but not out of mind, and you know energy come down. Yeah, guys, so we're getting there. Almost finished boxing. So you know, Aki for months, days, and decades. Why may I tell her Miss Cherry that I love this? If Miss Cherry see this now, she would have loved it. Rest these aside. Soon show you all the amount when we get, you know. And for me as a in Brazil, man, blessings. Heart of love, man. Thanks for passing through. And stay safe out there, you know where something go. Stay safe. Safe moving around. Safe at home. Safety to the max. Alright, let's get back to the egg now, guys. I'm gonna fry up my egg. I'm just feeling for egg, guys. Feel like I'll fry 2 in a 1. 2 egg and some crackers. Yeah, man. Nothing too extra. I was thinking about looking after some, you know, chicken or turkey. Piece of turkey. My apologies. But we'll catch a cold stove and I want to go outside. Not feeling that vibe. Yeah, man. I'll take a little bit more out of me. So I want to save that for another time around. We'll cook up some turkey neck, right, guys? Some turkey neck and probably some hot flour. Yeah, man. Oh, Lord. Guys? Oh, my God, man. I have to send blessings to Biggs and the whole family. Yeah, big bro. Out of sight, but not out of mind. And yeah, for those who don't know, I have to do a recheck. Don't bash me. Don't bash me, bro. Always things in Jamaica. as you can see, where I'm at, a lot of love in my corner. Um, things are right so far. It's not 100, I'd say, but we working towards better. As grandma say, one step at a time. Yeah man, and granddad would have say, every touch is a move, so we just take a little time and progress. Yeah man. Recovery, most folks down the line, yeah man, I have a few friends where, you know, we have dialogue and to be honest, oh lord. Bro, moms, leave one call out on the name. You know where something go. Yeah man. You know when I come my yard and you know the love go. I love a whole heap of love, but it's a blessing man to see all up and active and recover and you know if something got planned to the place and we have some other plans in store and a whole heap of love man. From them guys down the line. Yeah man, so we need to say fart. One step at a time. One step at a time guys. Yeah. But the blessings is you know say oh there and we are recover guys. We're recovering. It's not everybody 100 or I'd say, you know, but despite our rough things is we're still resilient, you know, we're strong. And we appreciate all the strength that we get. Yeah man, as I was saying, big bro, bigs, don't bash me. Yeah man. Guys, bigs have a function coming on quite soon. I believe it's the 20th of this month. Don't bash me bro. I don't think me get it wrong, but it's 20th of this month. Yeah man, fish fry guys. So you know not a lot of love. Hopefully I can vlog a few footage from that. Well, you know it's up. Once we're there yard, I will show you all what's popping. So fingers crossed, a lot of love. Love and love and love. Alright, this is a challenge now guys. That's the breeze. See if we can lock out the breeze, yeah? I'm feeling for hey. Very like that. Burn out the thing now. Good. Alright, let's see if we can. See your window a bit more. Guys, I'm improvising. It's not that you don't have a stand, you know, but you set up the stand right now, a lot of trouble. Can't be bothered at the moment. Kennedy, guys. Kendall. My what? Kendall, not Kennedy. Why can't I read now, guys? Why can't I read? What is this? Eboy lamps, guys. Yeah, man. Well, this is me, guys. I always break the egg in a cup. Well, I try my best to. Not all the time I do it. Ah, boy, I can't even break one egg in. Tell ya. Young chef, guys. Young chef. Right now, Biggs bash me. Boy, I thought you better than that, you know. Alright, guys. So far, egg them active. Eggs are okay, not spoil. Don't salt it, my boy. Alright, I'm gonna throw them eggshell here in the garden, guys. For the garden. Alright, the pot hot, guys. The pot hot, 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 hot. Over my six so far. Over my little Jaja. We take it one step at a time. No come easy. Burning. I'm going to prepare for the hand. Ah! Guys, I want to tell you something, I never dry off my hand properly. Water still a dry. You know, hot water and hot oil. Well, water, hot oil. You hear that foolishness, guys. Alright, this is the finished result, guys. Oh my, I don't know if you all seen properly, but that's just about it. And as I said from before, I'm gonna put it away with a few crackers. We're keeping it simple. Well, I'm keeping it simple. Not feeling for anything heavy. Just something moderate. Yeah, guys, I appreciate all y'all that pop by. I do appreciate the support, guys. I trust that you all up and active on your side of the world and feeling fine. And hopefully I work and you know it's something about up at the, for the drivers out there, y'all stay safe. You know the energy come down the road is a rough cooking. Rough cooking that's coming from another driver, guys. So you know it's something come. Alright, a few crackers with my egg. That's just alright, this is the next thing now, guys. Before I go eat, before I go consume this, you know you Jamaicans, I'm gonna take the seed from the ackee, I'm gonna de-seed them. So when I get back, it's a little bit easier to clean them because I'm gonna start the process already. I begin the process already. Guys, it's a lot of ackee, like a whole lot. But naturally, I appreciate it, big lady. Guys, what happened now? My tree not bearing at the moment because I believe it bear earlier on. So I decided to retire now. But you know, my neighbor has a lot. So she just picked quite a few and gave me some. And I'm appreciating every bit of this, guys. As I remember the energy now. It's the one love, energy, love and love alone, guys. So much love that's lover asks you, what's the matter? Don't believe. That's a new slang, guys. Well, I'd say for us as Jamaicans, it's a bit out there. Believe at the slang, guys. Believe. Alright. Finish. Not 100 yet. Have to do the rest later. when I'm finished with my egg and so these seeds now, guys, I'm gonna just throw them all over the farm. So anywhere them grow. Ackee trees in the future. Hopefully when you all pop by, you can get ackee. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Thanks for passing through. Well, I believe it's morning, same way in Jamaica, but wherever you are, good afternoon. Alright, guys, I'm gonna put away this here egg. Oh my god. Don't bash me now, guys. Don't stand up and eat and talk with the food in my mouth. Yeah, guys, it's not wine. This is locally grown beetroot. Yeah, man. As you can see, you just start drinking. Tell you guys, it's a buzz. Mm-hmm. Can't eat on top, guys. Can't eat on top. Alright, guys. Yeah, let me take a few sip and then put it back in the fridge. Reason being, it is very, very strong. Meaning, my apologies. There is no additive to it. That's just a pure juice. Like that's as fresh as it gets. It is very strong. Trust me. Just one drink and you can feel. Mm. Nothing like grandma's touch. Yeah, man. So I can't take all the glory on the beetroot, guys. Yeah, man. Need to get the processor together, yeah? So, due to the fact of not having the processor, you know, it's something we have to run your grandma. Grandma take on fashion and produce that bottle. It's a buzz. But hopefully in the future we will see. Y'all will see. When we put together, my liquor, something. Come my yard, man. Yeah, guys, no hesitation. Instant cleaning up back. And I'm not always like this, guys. I'm not always cleaning up after myself immediately after. I'm always cleaning because I'm a clean person, but you know, sometimes the human side take over, we're just tired. Yeah, man, but other than that, cleanliness is next to godliness. So. My apologies for the disruption just now, guys. But surprisingly, normally I'd come in and be at sleeping, so no one wouldn't get me on the phone. But anyway, duty calls. Yeah, man. I have a few things that I have to get done at the moment, so you know the energy go. I'ma catch you all in a few. Yeah, man. Stick around, man. What do you yard truckle? Remember the energy? Love and love alone, man. Come my yard.